pat a cake baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Mix it and stir it with flour so white. Sugar and butter, oh what a delight. Crack the eggs and give it a spin. Whisk it up with a great big grin. Roll it and shape it and make it round. Toss in some sprinkles all over the ground. Mark it with stars and a cherry or three. Let's make a treat for you and me. Tap it and clap it, then count to 4. Knock on the oven and open the door. Smells so yummy, we dance in a line. Our pat a cake party is simply divine. Pat a cake, baker's fun. We made enough cakes for everyone. Chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry too. Let's share a slice with me